Hello everyone, I'm Naima, here to tell you about the latest release from Remnant Media Services. The Transformation 6-Pack is a group of 6 books bundled together designed to help you walk through the process of change which is necessary to fulfill God's purposes in your life. These books individually address every phase of life that a human being experiences as they leave behind a life of sin in order to be transformed into a child of God, empowered by the Spirit of God, and prepared to lead others into a relationship with Jesus Christ. This group of books include titles like The Jesus Cult, The Curse of the Inverted Soul, The Organic Gospel, The Process, God's Celestial Network, and 1000% Dunamis, the Evangelism Handbook. These books will lead you into the process necessary to live a fruitful spiritual life that will impact the lives of every person you meet. To get your transformational 6-pack, just scan the QR code on your screen now or visit our website at www.rempublish.com and follow the prompts to place your order right now. I promise you that you won't be disappointed and your life will be changed forever. Don't wait. Place your order today, and thank you for listening. I'll talk to you again soon, and God bless you.